Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to get a new haircut and I'm going to meet Mr. Tincool and Mr. The Boring Boy. But before that I want to go and cut my hair, so let's go. Side ka kaat dena. Top है ना इतना इतना उड़ा दे ऊपर का. And one tempo is falling sideways. I'm now at the metro station. Look at the traffic jam.
Camera on you. He's my brother Nishan.
Nice to meet you, Nishan. I'm James.
And where is our Baba Tincool Koiba?
Saket.
Oh my God, sir.
Big fan, sir.
Sino yung mama ng wine? Violet line tong gana throw delegate.
Central Secretariat.
Okay, direct yellow. Yellow da to. Delegate ka kung gana throw.
Kummoy. Central Secretariat.
Okay.
So, you were on the wrong side. You almost went to our place. Central Secretariat. Check this out, guys.
Side pe gulabi sari ya nila.
Too nuts. Ape sale.
Alu
Ramda. Okay. Nice. Perfect time to be here. I mean, it's not hot. It's not that cold. I mean, it's not cold at all. Abe sale. Look at the water, it's very, very green. It's not that deep because we can see the niche. Wow. YouTuber 1 spotted, YouTuber 2. Oh, celebrity. There, another celebrity making reels.
Oh, Bobby the tax okay. Bobby nupi enge. Bobby.
Me closing eyes.
Nupi. Ma ji da yeng re ko. Ma ji kan thata ju ne. Ai da ha ko ni. Bobby nupi yeng mani ko. Ma mai footage ta ka kita jo.
They are accusing me of looking at some other girls. I don't look at other girls, guys. Guys, I don't even look at trees if they're female.
Yes.
Look at that. All birds, guys.
Koma kina gel आ गया इससे जाके इससे घुमा के फिर आ जाना लो लंबा शाम है रा बैठो आगे चलो निशान
Let's give it a ride. Finally, after years of struggle and hard work, I got new bike, guys. This is my new dirt bike. Check this out. Sorry, guys. Sorry. All right. My classy mirrors. Cool. Yeah, bro, what happened? Oh, thanks, bro. Come on, guys. Let's go. Yeah. Whee! Ah! Ah! Whee! 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 Brake! The brake is on the other side, guys. I'm sorry. I need to use my brake now. Let's go. Yes. Psych. Psych. Finally, it's time to return the bike.
बताना चाहिए आपको बिना बताए ऐसे थोड़ी है कि दे देंगे
कोई बात नहीं भाई आप गुस्सा मत करो. Little bit of confusion going on.
Explain them properly what happened now.
Yeah. So actually, what happened was like they gave us a vague, route that we should go from there to there and then you should return. But there was no clear instructions.
Sorry.
Wow, looks nice. Look at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Oh, it's Rashtrapati Bhavan and the sunset. No zebra crossing, guys. Not required. What happened, bro? Okay, behind the scene idea going on, guys. Let him think. He's our think tank. He looks like a tank. So who will be our cameraman?
No cameraman. There is no cameraman.
Oh, cameraman denied his role, so we have to improvise. Behind the scene noise.
Behind the scene kind of nummy. Brother James behind the scene kind of nummy. Behind the scene ngak tang ngai de phai je. Lagoi ka tau je.
Kapate.
Apate ke na, apatia, apate ke tu. Anana pate ye, apate ke na, apatia, apate ke tu.
1, 2, 3, go. And action.
Behind the scene of another reel. Yes. Behind the scene ka behind the scene. Oh, so I am done with my reel and he's done with his reel, but there's no more script. First time I'm in his reel, but you might not notice. If you know, just let me know in the comment section.
Yes. If you see him in my reel, just comment down below.
Bro,
Or
tag me.
Tag him.
You tag me,
I will
bro.
also tag, but you have to mention him if you see him.
Yeah. I need to be famous too. He's famous already, so I need to take some chance, you know. Sprinkling water to fight the heat of Delhi.
Gimbal हम तो set up तो क्या?
Okay.
Protect me.
Take you?
Protect me.
Protect you. Okay. India Gate.
Wah Metro kuma padang alo ni.
Chabo se bora ne, singzu ne, changang ne, aduga kay no yam amuna chabo hore. I'm on the video. Alright guys, if you visit India Gate, check this out.